A local bride sent us her gown to be cleaned and ready to wear. As you can see, this gown has a lot of grommet set rhinestones, which is incredibly beautiful, but it does change the cleaning process a bit. There's some dirt along the bottom, which we'll be taking care of soon, but first, the dress needs a bath. Bill uses this amazing custom soap of his own creation, which not only is fantastic for cleaning gowns, but it's also great for removing stains, and it's incredibly gentle on garments. As you can see, this gown was a lot dirtier than it appeared, and Bill's not done yet. So he starts another bath with the same formula as before. He takes the brush and starts working his way around the bottom of the gown to remove all that stuck on dirt. After finishing, Bill's back to being a washing machine. You see, this gown needs to be hand cleaned due to the rhinestones. The grommets can very easily get caught on the fabric and cause snags throughout it if it's not cleaned properly. So Bill works diligently to ensure its safety as well as its restoration. After being thoroughly rinsed, it's time to hang to dry overnight. The next day starts the finishing process, and Bill begins by pressing the hanger loops. As you can see, Bill has to work very carefully to press the bust. Next, he moves on to pressing the body of the gown, always applying steam to relax the fabric and then bringing down the head, and repeating the same process on each layer of the dress. Finally, the before and afters. This gown didn't look dirty, but as you saw through the process, it was hiding quite a bit. It's always important to clean your gown because you never know what might be hiding underneath. Everything brightened up and it now looks brand new and ready to be worn again. Sometimes the amazing transformations are the ones hiding in plain sight. And now, this beautiful gown is bright, refreshed, and ready for its next walk down the aisle.